Hagerstown, Maryland, the U.S. Air Force demonstrates its latest cargo plane. This is the Fairchild XC-120, a packed carrier plane with a detachable fuselage. The pack has detachable wheels. 4 electric drum hoists raise and lower the pack from the carrier. When the pack is separated from the carrier, it is easily towed away. This pack can be used to house various types of shops, headquarters units, emergency hospitals, weather stations. It can also be converted into a tanker for carrying fuel.